This is a 1906 Ford Model F Tonneau. So it was a later car for the Ford Motor Company. This one had the flat two-cylinder still, and under here this was the end of that line for the flat two, and you can see there's the crank, and the engine, see, is right under there. So this was getting the end of that, and you had to start putting them in the front where they belonged. And see, it's a very large car. I can pull back a little bit to see more of it. See the roof, it's a comfortable back seat here. Wooden dashboard, brass lamps. So this was a pretty fancy Ford, the Model F, not like the C that was around. It's larger and more luxurious. Up front, as I said, the engine was down below. This was the gas tank and the radiator. They made about 1,000 of them, 1906, 12 horsepower. Some of the details. The lamp, Graham Davis, Amesbury, Massachusetts. So this car is at the Ford Piquette Plant Museum in Detroit, Michigan, and it's the only place where you can see all the alphabet cars. So going down there we have an A, got the C's, the F, the K, the N, R, S, and then finally the T. So definitely worth a visit.